Will this volcano destroy Western Germany and lay Europe to ashes? Well, the short answer is probably not, at least in our lifetime. Nonetheless, the story of the once fire-breathing volcano is worth telling. The volcano we are talking about is called Lake Lach, or in German Lacher See, situated in Western Germany near the city of Koblenz. The Lake Lach is a volcanic caldera lake with a surface of 3.3 square kilometers, which is the biggest in the state it's located in. A caldera is basically a crater or large depression in the Earth's surface originating out of the eruption caused by the volcano. In this case, the caldera filled with water, forming the lake we know today. The Eifel region, in which this volcano is located in, is also known as the Vulkan Eifel. With Vulkan meaning volcano, one wouldn't be surprised to hear the region is characterized by its geological history and present, particularly linked to volcanism. So, hundreds of thousands of years ago, liquid magma dissolved from a depth of about 45 kilometers and rose to the top. It collected in a magma chamber in the upper crust of the Earth. The magma cooled down and gases were released and built up in the chamber. 13,000 years ago, the pressure is unimaginable. With a volcanic explosivity index of 6, the following eruption, comparable to the Pinatubo eruption of 1991, it is the most powerful that has occurred in Western Europe in the last million years. The area was buried under a 50-meter thick layer of rock with deposits from the eruption damming the Rhine, a nearby river, creating a 140 square kilometer or 50 square mile lake. When the dam broke, an outburst flood swept downstream, wiping out everything that got in its way. And as if that wasn't enough, 6 cubic kilometers of ash were thrown in the atmosphere, enough to cover all of Paris in a 57-meter thick layer of ash, blocking the sun for days. So now the question begs, are we facing a new outbreak, and if so, when? From deep earthquakes below the Eifel, it can be concluded that the magma is moving under the ground, probably starting with the last eruption 13,000 years ago. A US study found that the ground in the Eifel is rising, or rather expanding, faster than anywhere else in northwestern Europe, caused by the moving magma down below. Last time, it took 30,000 years for the magma chamber to fill up and reach the critical tipping point right before the eruption. It can therefore be assumed that it will take a few thousand, if not even 10,000 years before we are faced with an equally powerful eruption. However, just because we are not facing a very large eruption does not mean that the all clear is given. It is possible that magma will quickly find its way to the surface before the magma chamber reaches its critical point, through cracks in Earth's crust. This also causes magma to come to the surface, and these small eruptions can also be dangerous, mostly because the warning time for such eruptions is only 3 to 5 days. Despite all this, the Eifel region and especially the Lake Lach are worth a visit. You can watch rising gases in the form of bubbles during a walk on the Lacher See, or learn about the history of the volcanoes in various museums such as the German Volcanic Museum in Mendig. Thanks for watching and sticking through to the end. I hope you enjoyed it and have a great day. See ya, bye.